Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to update your motorcycle's value on your Geico motorcycle insurance policy in 2025. Alright, it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this video at all. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first step is going to be to log into your Geico account. You could choose to log in on the online platform, that's the Geico website, or you could choose to do so on the Geico mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, the next step is going to be to click on policy details and then select vehicle information. Next, you're going to select the motorcycle that you want to update and then click edit vehicle. Next, you're going to enter the new motorcycle value. So just go ahead and enter the new motorcycle value and then click save changes. And once that's done, you're going to make sure you review and confirm the changes to your policy, just to make sure that they went through successfully and they are accurate. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to update your motorcycle's value on your Geico motorcycle insurance policy in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in